Hey guys, welcome to NS Tech Videos. Today we'll be going over some of the new features Apple will be introducing with their iOS 15. I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button. It helps the channel out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notifications. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. Apple just announced the new cool features they'll be adding to iOS 15, and first one is SharePlay. With SharePlay, you can share your screen with family and friends and watch your favorite TV shows, movies, and listen to music together from wherever you are. You can also share your phone screen with everyone on a FaceTime call and look through your photos or browse the web for your next vacation destination. Another feature is spatial audio. So with spatial audio, individual voices sound like they are coming from the direction in which each person is positioned on your screen. Another cool feature is schedule and share FaceTime calls with a unique link. It even works with Windows or Android users. With Grid View, all the people on your FaceTime call show in the same size tile, just like a Zoom meeting. There are also new emojis where you can choose outfits with multicolor headwear. You can also set your FaceTime to portrait mode, and this feature will add the focus on you and blur what's behind you. With mic mode, you can also set your mic to standard, voice isolation for minimizing the background noise, and white spectrum, which leaves the ambient sound unfiltered. There's also a great new feature, focus. Choose a focus that allows only the notification you want. You can get work done without social media and other unwanted notifications. You can choose from a list of suggested focus options or create your own. You can also signal your status when using focus. Your status will automatically display in your messages, but for truly urgent messages, there will still be a way for people to notify you. Notification will also have a new look with the contact photo and a larger icon to make them easier to identify. Wallet will have a new feature where you can add your driving license or state ID for travel and for retailers, but I'm sure it will need approval from different states for travel. You will also be able to unlock your home, work, garage, and hotel rooms, but it will rely on third party to give you access. There are other features added to maps like 3D walking directions you can view in augmented reality and transit. Hope this video helped. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and thanks a lot for watching, guys.